This short video is about understanding the discussion questions, and it was very important to make sure you can see the feedback and the rubrics because those will help you develop your understanding of key terms and how to talk about them. This is the prompt from the Baby X discussion, and in that prompt, I asked specifically about the sex gender system, and very few people really went into that and used that description and that information to answer the question. However, there is a particular set of threads that I encourage you to look at because they're quite exemplary. And it begins with Journey's reply here to Shamari, and also I guess nobody replied, unfortunately, to Journey because she replies to lots of people, and it creates a really powerful discussion when you read and reply to each other. So if you read Journey's reply, Shamari's, and the three people who replied to her for some further clarification, and notice Shamari acknowledged what they said. The discussion continues here with Mo's post, and you can see that Shamari kept going and talked to Mo a little bit more, continuing to build upon the knowledge. And Amber noted, wow, this is really interesting. Tori's post, likewise, plays into her discussions with Mo and with others. And then finally, in Brooke's post, you can see replies from Tori and Journey that continue to build on what Journey and Shamari started, and then Mo continued, and then Brooke and Tori and Journey kind of fulfill to answer really all of the questions that this discussion post asked. And you don't need to answer everything, but I want you to talk to each other like this in order to sort things out and to give concrete examples of what we're thinking and learning. So please refer back to these posts. I think they'll be really great, helpful model discussion posts, and I would love it if everybody looks back at those. Have a great day.